In part 2 of this series, we looked at simplifying how to power your campervan. I'm Katy from Azeco, and in this video we're going to show you how to monitor your power systems. We'll take a look at monitoring your starter battery, service battery and solar system. Let's look at the starter battery first. A standard lead-acid starter battery can be monitored with a cost-effective 12-volt battery monitor. This is because the voltage of lead-acid batteries gives a good indication of how full the battery is, which is also known as state of charge. For example, a 12-volt battery which is not being charged or discharged will have the following approximate readings. At 12.8 volts, the battery is 100% charged. At 12.2 volts, the battery is about 50% charged. At 12.04 volts, the battery is around 30% charged. 11.9 volts or below means the battery is empty. If the alternator or solar panels are charging the starter battery and there are no devices draining the battery, the voltage should be around 14.4 volts. It's difficult to determine the state of charge when charging or discharging the battery, but this information is not really needed on a lead-acid starter battery. The cost-effective 12-volt display will indicate if there are any issues with the starter battery and whether the alternator is working. Now let's move on to the service battery. For lithium service batteries, the most cost-effective solution is buying a state of charge indicator which displays voltage. Alternatively, some lithium service batteries have built-in Bluetooth where you can see the battery voltage on your phone. With a little knowledge, these can be used to give an indication of the state of charge. However, the relationship between voltage and state of charge on lithium batteries is complex. The image shows the approximate state of charge at different battery voltages. For most people, a voltage monitor is not particularly useful as they require a level of knowledge to interpret the readings. Charging and discharging the lithium battery also distorts the voltage, making it hard to know the actual state of charge. A state of charge indicator using a shunt, which measures current, is a much easier to use solution. Having knowledge of the state of charge allows you to prolong the life of your batteries and is usually a good investment. These devices can be Bluetooth devices and/or remote display devices. A remote display is often the preferred solution as it allows you to instantly see if there are any issues with the system. And finally, for monitoring the solar system. In the previous section, we showed you how to monitor the service battery using a shunt. However, it only gives net flow of energy, which is energy in from the solar panels minus energy going out to loads. Therefore, the optimum solution is to have a fixed or Bluetooth display to monitor your solar system. This will give you a good indication of the energy coming into the battery from the solar panels. If budget is an issue, we recommend having a battery monitor with a shunt as a starting point. The next thing to consider is a 12-volt display for your starter battery. And finally, the least important, but still nice to have, is a display or Bluetooth for your solar system. Please see the description below for recommended products. If you have found the video useful, please like or subscribe.